Welcome. In this video, you will see Aircrack-ng wireless attack tool in Linux. Aircrack-ng is an 802.11 WEP and WPA PSK keys cracking program that can trigger keys once enough data packets have been captured. It implements the standard FMS attack along with correct attacks as well as all new PTW attack, thus making the attack much faster compared to the other WEP cracking tools. It focuses on different areas of Wi-Fi security, monitoring, that is packet capture and export of data to text files for further processing by third-party tools, attacking, that is replay attacks, deauthentication, fake access points and other via packet injection, testing, checking Wi-Fi cards and driver capabilities, cracking WEP and WPA PSK, that is WPA1 and WPA2. Let's open up the terminal and type Aircrack-ng. Here you can see that basic usage or syntax of Aircrack-ng tool. Common options are -A force to attack mode, -E target selection network identifier, -B target selection access points MAC and so on. Let's see the static WEP cracking option. -C search alphanumerical character only. -T search binary coded decimal character only and so on. For WEP and WPA PSK cracking, -W part to word list. WEP and WPA PSK option, -E create EVWSA project file. -J create hashcat capture file. Using the provided word list, that is -W, user share word list nmap.lst, attempt to crack password in capture file, that is capture01.cap, type Aircrack-ng -W, user share word list nmap.lst. You can see that nmap.lst file in word list directory and type capture-01.cap. This file I downloaded from GitHub website. You can see that GitHub downloading page. I downloaded and pasted it in the root directory because console path is root. Here we can see that capture01.cap read 399 packets. Type number of target network, index and encrypt it. That's it in this video on Aircrack-ng wireless attack tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.